Welcome back, jury. Now we're on Boyer, Part 5. Mr. Boyer, were you arrested for participation in the kidnapping and the attempted robbery burglary of SuperValue? Is that correct? Yes. Your case that you have had against you was lodged in DeKalb County, where the store is located and where the kidnapping occurred. Is that right? Yes. Were you indicted for those charges? Yes. Were you indicted for kidnapping with bodily injury, aggravated assault, and burglary? Did you enter a guilty plea to those charges? Yes. Have you been sentenced on those charges? 15 years. Were there any conditions attached to you receiving this sentence? Testimony for over here? Testifying here? Yes. Is anything that you said not been the truth today? No. Mr. Howell proceeds to ask questions. I believe you, if I understood correctly, you got sentenced on one count of the charge lodged against you, and there are still 2 counts remaining outstanding. Yes. That will be taken care of only after you are through testifying in this trial here against Mr. Crowder. Yes, in DeKalb. There's no question that your testimony here is a part of whatever bargain you made in DeKalb County. Yes. And you got the minimum sentence, which is a 15-year sentence. Yes. And you know what the maximum could have been on that sentence, don't you? Yes. What would that have been? For all the charges, I would have had been looking at something like 60 years or something like that. Could you have the maximum life sentence just for one you were sentenced on? Couldn't you? Yes, I got sentenced on burglary. You have given some answers to some questions here today, and you also, if I understand, you testified at the trial of Marvin Turner that took place back in May, didn't you? Yes. So there was a kidnapping attempt of Mr. Ames at his home. That's why I discussed that questioning that we had of Mr. Jones. They were not successful in that, and this is what Mr. Howell had to say. Now, I believe you also hit on lightly, but it was you and Marvin Turner that initially went to kidnap or take Mr. Ammons back on the 16th of August of 1994, and that would have been the week before, yes? And that didn't involve Crowder. That was you and Mr. Turner that went over to get him. Marcus was supposed to come back later on.